The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you on this Monday morning, 9th day of October, Columbus Day? Can you hear? Do you hear the rain? We have a nice downpour here going on at 3:55 in the morning. Nate may be gone, but Nate's tropical plume of moisture remains, and that's part of our forecast for today. I'll update the rain chances for the next couple of days. Boy, it's humid out here this morning. We'll look at some better weather perhaps by later in the week, especially the end of the week. And are we done looking at the tropics? Is there anything out there? Maybe. Here's your morning weather briefing.
Well, there's what's left of Nate this morning, a low-pressure area over eastern Kentucky, and still that tropical plume of moisture extends into Alabama. We didn't have to deal with the tornadoes with Nate here yesterday, but some folks did. Georgia and the Carolinas, 22 tornado reports yesterday. I'm just glad we didn't have to deal with that. So future radar today depicts the scattered showers advancing northward with the tropical moisture, maybe even a few thunderstorms as we go through the afternoon and into the evening hours tonight. So the wetness continues, and a frontal system is approaching. For today, showers likely. Can't rule out a thunderstorm or two. High temperature up to about 84. Very humid. Tonight slowed down to about 73, and south winds fairly light at 5 to 10 miles per hour today. There's the frontal system I was talking about that will be approaching the state. It'll be moving through Tuesday and actually into Wednesday with scattered showers ahead of the front, and I think maybe some relief by late in the week. This is where the front should be tomorrow morning at about 7 o'clock. With drier air back behind it, I think the better rain chances start to migrate towards southeast Alabama and the coast on Thursday, and I think by Friday we are mostly sunny, drier air, and I've removed rain from the forecast for Friday and Saturday. So here we go. We've got scattered showers in Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe a leftover shower or two on Thursday before somewhat drier air comes in Friday or Saturday. That's good news for your weekend plans. Maybe you're heading down to the shrimp festival down on the coast this weekend. The weather should be pretty nice. Here we go with somewhat relief on Friday, according to the European. Some nicer mornings, and then it even shows early next week behind a secondary front around Tuesday and Wednesday, some pretty nice air. And as we look at the GFS, and we're looking out 16 days, on day 15 and 16, it has some of the coolest mornings, so something to look forward to farther down the road. Are we done with the tropics yet? Well, maybe not. There's a system way out there in the tropical Atlantic that's going to be a fish system, 91L, 80% chance of development. But closer in, I'm really looking at this tropical wave out there in the tropical Atlantic north of the Virgin Islands, moving on eastward, westward. What could happen with that? Late to Friday, the GFS indicating maybe something tropical in the Bahamas. We'll keep an eye on it for you. Our weather app is going to help you keep on top of all the weather for the next 10 days. The hourly forecast, current conditions, radar, future radar. It's great to have, as you found out, a lot of folks found out over the weekend. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather if you don't have it on your phone yet.
And also this weekend, Talladega is going on. Yeah, timing is everything, so good thing we had Nate last weekend and not this coming weekend because of Dega. We'll keep you up to date on that forecast as well, which is looking pretty good. This rain's getting heavier out here. Bailey, what are you doing? You're getting wet. Come in here. Have a great day today. I'm going inside. This rain's getting heavier. I'll see you later. We'll have another video for you tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Let's go in, Bailey. See you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.